Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another 60-second pack crack here on Fahrenheit TCG. And we have another Kaldheim collector booster pack here for you. And let's see what we got. Starting off, we have Brine Barrow Intruder, Struggle for Skemfar, Doomscar Oracle, Dwarven Reinforcements, Snowfield Sinkhole, Spectral Steel, a Frigga Judge of Valor, Snow-Covered Mountain, Tales of the Ancestors, an Extended Art Cosmos Elixir, Varagoth Bloodsky Sire, Svella Ice Shaper, Sigrid God-Favored, Inga Rune Eyes, and a Redain God of Worthy.